am going to show you how to make this 8-petal puff stitch flower, and I used an H hook and medium worsted yarn. You can use any type of yarn or hook size depending on how big you would like this. This flower is only just a couple to few inches across in size, and the written pattern for this is down below, and I'm just going to show you how to get started. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot onto your hook and chain 5. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to create a ring. Chain 1, work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Slip stitch in the beginning, single crochet, and you will have a total of 8 single crochet. And it's important to count them because you will create 8 petals. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, draw up your loop, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, drop your loop twice, yarn over, grab the yarn, drop your loop 3 times, and then 4 times, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, and draw it up 5 times total. Yarn over and pull through all loops but the 1 loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, and then chain 3, and then in the next stitch you're going to single crochet, and then you're going to, that's your first puff stitch, then you're going to chain 3, and then yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab the yarn, drop your loop all the way up to your chain 3, 5 times total, so that's 2 times, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn 3 times, 4 times, and then 5 times total. Then yarn over and pull through all loops, and then the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and then chain 3, and then repeat until you have a total of 8 puff stitch petals. You're going to single crochet in that next stitch, and then just repeat. Okay, repeat until you have a total of 8 altogether. Okay, the last puff stitch, you're going to chain 3, slip stitch in the beginning stitch there to complete. And then you're going to fasten off and weave in all your ends, and then your flower is complete. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.